because as I mentioned, it was difficult for Lynn and producers to find a place to put it on play. So I opened this shop, but there's only room for about 240 people to see the play. But by this point, in 1953, so many people had heard about Beckett and had heard about this play. The play had actually been published. This is a fairly typical practice at the time where playwrights would publish plays and then they'd have a production. Whereas today we usually production first and then publication. But many people had read Thomas Cromwell's Otto and been really excited about it. So